Here I've got MEIZU M8C, and let me show you all the ringtones for the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and go to phone ringtone. So let's come with all of them, starting with piano. And then just pick the one that you like the most, so it can be, for example, this one. Go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.